everyone, welcome back to Live Best Skill podcast. I'm your host Himani, and today we are heading to the Kutch Desert in India. When we think of the desert, we imagine this land full of sand and the scorching sun, right? But this Kutch Desert has some magic, some secret power. The Kutch Desert bloom. Most of the year this place is dry and sandy and hot, but after the rainy season some magic happens here. The desert explodes with color. You can see the fields filled with the colorful bright flowers, the pink flamingos chilling in the lakes with the purple flowers all around. It feels like someone has painted the whole desert with the beautiful picture. So it's not about just the pretty flowers. It's the story of the tough guys. The seeds of these flowers, they sleep underground for years, waiting for the rain to happen. And finally, when it happens, then they pop up and show everyone that in the toughest conditions, something magic, something amazing can grow. The Kutch bloom is not just about the flowers. It's about us too. Sometimes life feels like a desert, all doubts and challenges all around. But like these tiny little seeds, we also can grow and do incredible things in life. The best part is that we don't have to wait for the external rain to happen. We can make our own opportunities. We can water the seeds of our dreams with the knowledge, with the practice, with the smart work, positive attitude and prayers. Maybe things are difficult now, but that doesn't mean that you can't bloom later. Keep believing in yourself, keep working on your dreams, and when the time is right, you will bloom too. So next time when you feel down, remember the Kutch Desert bloom. Even in the driest places, the beauty can bloom. Let the Kutch Desert be your guide. Chase your dreams with all your might. Stay fired up. Keep reaching high. We'll see you next time on Live Best Skilled. Goodbye.